Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 355 or libel by means of writings or similar means. Article 355, libel by means of writing or similar means is a libel committed by means of writing, printing, lithography, engraving, radio, phonograph, painting, theatrical exhibition, cinematographic exhibition, or any similar means. Article 355, the other ways to commit libel. Hindi lang po sinasabi or by voice ang libel. Pwede rin po itong nakasulat or nakabroadcast, such as sa radio or show. So Article 355 enumerated the means to commit written defamation or libel, to wit, first, writing, second, printing, third, lithography, fourth, engraving, fifth, radio, sixth, phonograph, seventh, painting, eighth, theatrical exhibition, 9, cinematographic exhibition, or 10, any similar means. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.